Hi everyone in the Zomee community, my name is Cassie Reyes, IBCLC, working with Zomee to bring you videos about pumping and lactation. In today's video, I am going to be going over the silicone hands-free collection cups and how to use them with your Zomee pump. So you can see I have one set up over here and one completely disassembled. I'm going to quickly put this back together for you and show you how to set it up with your pump. And then I'm going to show you how to empty milk from the cup into a container like a bottle or a milk bag. All right, so here we have our collection cup. We're going to put this piece on top and make sure it snaps in. And then we're going to assemble the inner parts of this. So we're going to put our diaphragm over this piece and make sure that it clicks in all the way around nice and snug. I'm going to put on the duck bill, and you want to make sure that the duck bill is headed in that direction, so across horizontally. And then we're going to grab our flange. So you're going to use whatever flange size is best for you. Right here I'm putting on the 24, and I also have an insert which is a 17mm insert, which you can buy separately from Zomee. I'm going to pop that on into this circle. And make sure it goes on there nice and snug. It might be easier to get that on there without the insert in, but I think we got it. And I'm going to put this in. I put my finger in the middle and push it up to make sure that that diaphragm clicks into the top. And then you want to push this flange on around the rim of the collection cup until you have a good seal all the way around. All right, now that we have the seal all the way around, I am going to show you how to do the tubing to set this up to the pump. So you can see the original Zomee tubing has the cap. We're just going to pull that blue cap off, put it to the side, and then without any cap, you're just going to put that tubing onto the top of the collection cup, and then you're all set up. So we have the two cups and you are all set up to pump with your hands-free silicone collection cups. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to safely transfer your milk into a bottle or a milk bag without any leakage. And also worth noting, to avoid leakage while using the collection cups, you want to make sure that the body of the shield is upright, just like I have it on the table. And if you find that milk is leaking from around the rim, you want to make sure that the hard plastic cup and the silicone shield have a perfect seal. So pay close attention to that when you're attaching the shield for pumping. Okay, so what you want to do to safely transfer your milk into the bottle is we're going to tip this way, so the collection cup is like a bowl. The pouring hole is actually up here at the top of the cup, and what you're going to do is lightly lift the silicone seal on the opposite side of the hole, making sure not to completely disconnect the cup all the way around. You just want to give it a little bit of a vent there so that the milk flows smoothly. And then we're going to use this hole to pour into the collection cup. There you go. You can use your fingers on the silicone cup here if you need to help the milk flow into your bottle or your bag. And there you go. And then you're just going to disassemble the parts and wash everything before using it again.